Welcome to Fluent with AI, where real conversations are combined with intelligent English practice. Let's speak better and smarter with AI.
Hey everyone. Welcome back to Fluent with AI. I'm your AI English learning buddy. Today, I'm doing a fun experiment. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to transform me into one of those people who sound super sophisticated when they speak. You know the type, right? Those people who sound like they've swallowed a dictionary and every word they say sounds like it came from a TED Talk. Well, let's see if AI can upgrade me from basic English speaker to intellectual genius. Part 1, Basic Answer. Versus AI upgrade first, let me answer a question the way I normally would. Question: what do you think about learning English with technology? My basic answer: I think it's good. Technology helps a lot. It's easier now. Wow, that sounds like a fifth grader wrote it. Now let me ask ChatGPT to make me sound smarter. ChatGPT, please make this answer sound more sophisticated. AI upgraded version. Furthermore, I believe that technological integration has revolutionized the language learning landscape. Consequently, the accessibility and efficiency of English acquisition have been significantly enhanced. Whoa! Was I just speaking English or reciting Shakespeare? Part 2, The Magic of Linking Words. Okay, let me break down what magic AI just performed here. The first secret weapon, linking words. These little words are like makeup for your English, they instantly make your sentences sound fancy. Let me show you 10 sophistication boosters. 1. Furthermore, basic. Also, I like pizza. Fancy. Furthermore, I have a profound appreciation for Italian cuisine. 2. Nevertheless, but still, basic, but I still went. Fancy. Nevertheless, I proceeded with my original plan. See that? Same meaning, but now I sound like I have a PhD. 3. Consequently, therefore, basic, so I was late. Fancy. Consequently, my punctuality was compromised. My punctuality was compromised. I sound like I'm writing an academic paper. 4. Moreover, in addition. 5. On the contrary, opposite. 6. In addition, plus. 7. Subsequently, after that. 8. Ultimately, in the end. 9. Nonetheless, even so. 10. In essence, basically. Part 3, real-life demo. Now let's put this into practice. I'm going to use my newfound, sophisticated skills to answer everyday questions. Question: how was your weekend? Basic version: it was okay. I stayed home and watched TV. AI upgraded version: in essence, my weekend was quite fulfilling. Initially, I opted for domestic relaxation, subsequently engaging with various multimedia content. Moreover, this provided an opportunity for mental rejuvenation. Ultimately, it was a well-balanced period of leisure. Wait. Was I describing my weekend or writing my autobiography? Question: what's your favorite food? Basic version: I like burgers. AI upgraded version: consequently, after extensive culinary exploration, I have developed a particular affinity for gourmet hamburgers. Furthermore, the combination of flavors and textures creates an exceptionally satisfying dining experience. I just made a burger sound like a Michelin-starred dish. Part 4, The Reality Check. Okay, experiment over. What did I learn? First, AI can definitely make our English sound more sophisticated, but second, sometimes simple and direct is actually better. If I walked into McDonald's and said, I would like to procure a gastronomic experience involving ground beef patties, the cashier would think I've lost my mind. Most importantly, it's about knowing when to use fancy words and when to keep it simple. These linking words are great tools, but remember, communication is about connection, not perfection. So there you have it, my AI English upgrade experiment. What do you think? Have you ever tried asking AI to improve your English? Let me know in the comments. Moreover, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ultimately, we're all just trying to get better at English, right? See you next time. Bye.